Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to non-native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today inshallah we're going to learn how to say in Arabic I don't mind. How to say I don't mind in Arabic language. And before we start our lesson guys, please don't forget to make like for this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you could share this video with your friends, I will be really grateful for this. Thank you. And as we usually do, we take an example first. I don't mind talking with strangers. I don't mind talking with strangers. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? Well, we say لا أمانع التحدث مع غرباء. لا أمانع التحدث مع غرباء. I don't mind talking with strangers. لا أمانع التحدث. لا أمانع I don't mind التحدث talking with strangers مع غرباء. مع with غرباء strangers. So from this example I think you know its construction. لا أمانع and then you add مصدر. مصدر we said before مصدر it's a noun it's coming from verb. مصدر a noun coming from verb. Okay, and لا أمانع I don't mind, and this expression أمانع it changes depending on the pronoun. So for example, he doesn't mind swimming at night. He doesn't mind swimming at night. So we add first he doesn't mind لا يمانع. لا يمانع because he هو لا يمانع swimming at night السباحة ليلا. swimming السباحة ليلا at night. لا يمانع السباحة ليلا. She doesn't mind living in a village. She doesn't mind living in a village. So we add first she doesn't mind لا تمانع because she لا تمانع living in a village العيش في قرية. living العيش in a village في قرية. she doesn't mind living in a village. لا تمانع العيش في قرية. they don't mind payment in advance. they don't mind payment in advance. So we add first they don't mind لا يمانعون. لا يمانعون they don't mind لا يمانعون. okay, payment in advance الدفع مقدما. لا يمانعون الدفع مقدما. الدفع مقدما payment in advance. Okay, I don't mind going to the beach. I don't mind going to the beach. لا أمانع. لا أمانع I don't mind going to the beach الذهاب إلى الشاطئ. الذهاب going to الذهاب إلى الشاطئ the beach. لا أمانع الذهاب إلى الشاطئ. So here لا يمانع he doesn't mind. لا تمانع she doesn't mind. لا يمانعون they don't mind. لا أمانع I don't mind. Okay, I hope this lesson is useful for you guys. If you have any question please write in the comment and I will reply you inshallah. Don't forget to make like for this video and subscribe for the channel and make dua for me and for my family. Thank you and I see you in other videos inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.